Exercise number 12 of 700 second half paragraph 80 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mia Chanu, Stenographers Academy, Mia Chanu. Ready? Start. But these men did not wait for opportunity to come to them, semicolon. They took immediate advantage of their conditions to make their own opportunity, full stop. In the book which we have specially in mind, we find that in most cases the man's work was valued during his lifetime, full stop. But the world is not always ready to take new ideas warmly to its hurt, full stop. In every age there are those who feel certain that there is nothing left for man to discover, semicolon. There are others who see in the new idea a danger to their own special interests, full stop. It is not always easy to look at something new with clear eyes, to judge truly the value either of our own work or the work of others, full stop. We find ourselves thinking that because a thing has always been done in such and such a way in the past, then that must be the best possible way for it to be done, or because a certain thing has not been done before, then it should not be done now, full stop. We have to keep a careful watch upon ourselves in this respect, and try to keep an open mind, full stop. If we try new methods in our own work, we shall sometimes be wrong, possibly we shall often be wrong, but sometimes we shall meet with success which makes worthwhile all our earlier labors, full stop. Probably no more than one or two men out of all the millions living today can hope to do something so important that it will influence world thought and world action throughout the ages to come, but the methods which have served the great men of any age and helped them in their great work have value for us today in our less important work, full stop. By marking the course taken by those who have been successful in their special fields, we can learn better how to deal with our own situation, our own difficulties, in the field of thought and of action in which we are ourselves most interested, full stop.